Zo, Biguri Zo, is why want to make more. IYC World Press Conference. Congratulatory message on the March 18th governorship elections victory of Rivers Governor-elect, His Excellency Sir Amaechi Seminalaye Fubara DSSROS, and the expectations of Rivers youth here in Tombia clan in Degima local government area of the eastern flank of Ijaw nation. Asawana! All protocol duly and respectfully observed. Today we use our conglomeration as River Sons and as youth leaders of our revered Ijaw Youth Council in the eastern flank of Ijaw nation to congratulate our beloved brother, father and leader, the Rivers State Governor-elect, His Excellency Sir Amaechi Seminalaye Fubara DSSROS, on the occasion of his affliction election victory in the March 18th governorship poll, as practically demonstrated by Rivers people and subsequently declared by the infallible Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. It is indeed a joyous moment to see a man full of humility as the first Ijaw son to be governor since the inception of this fourth republic. He is a true Rivers born, whose career is built in serving and supporting mankind with the requisite professional character aboard in integrity, honesty, and passion in changing the life trajectories of humanity. His Excellency, we conscientiously welcome you into the Brick House, Port Harcourt, as the #1 citizens of Rivers State, as the Executive Governor of Rivers State. The Clan Chairman Forum of the Ijaw Youth Council in the eastern flank of the Niger Delta region is assuring you of our effective collaboration for peace, unity, and development of our dear state throughout your vision-driven tenure as the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, we bring to you as a reminder the undoubted significance of youth empowerment and the efficacy of human capacity building in the 21st century, as it has been a huge challenge and the foundation of youth restiveness globally. It is in view of the aforesaid, we appeal that one, Your Excellency, as leaders from the renowned IYC who believes in equity, justice, and fairness, it is our prayer that you run an all-inclusive government where projects, employment opportunities, and political appointments will be considered based on merit and not the promotion of chauvinism as seen in the previous administrations. Two, scholarship for Rivers youth by the Rivers State government be reactivated in primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions, reinstating the status quo of the Rivers State Sustainable Development Agency, RSSDA, with a view to revisit its policy. 3. Skill acquisition centers be built with hostels to train Rivers youth in multi-skills, and starter packs be given at the end of training to minimize youth restiveness and strengthen the state economy. 4. Money and other factors of production as capitals be given to Rivers youths to support small and medium scheme enterprises. 5. Youth should be given opportunities to serve in your cabinet and in the various local government areas as council chairman to implement the 21st century human capacity development expertise as in line with global democratic practices. Build roads to the rural, semi-urban, and urban areas of the riverine to connect Port Harcourt City with the supply of national electricity grid to boost rural economic drive as a way of decongesting the city. Also as means of developing other parts of the state to ease youth from the high cost of renting stores, as this will reduce financial strength in youths, minimize crime rates, and channel youth income into improving businesses. Your Excellency, the beauty of democracy is in successive governance where economically viable projects are executed. Hence, conscious efforts should be made to complete the many awarded incomplete projects in the states. In stabilizing the state economy for the well-being of Rivers people, A state monitoring team should be set up to regularize the cost of commodities, that is goods and services in the state.
Yeah.
The Commonwealth of Rivers State is for our people. Hence, it is our view that the town hall meeting should be initiated in all local government areas or ethnic groups before the award of projects for the betterment of the masses. Your administration should declare state of emergency for the rehabilitation of the Rivers State Civil Service Secretariat, payment of gratuity, pensioners promote state and local government workers with the implementation of 30% salary increments. In order to bring back our lost glory, Your Excellency, your administration should with immediate alacrity declare state of emergency on free medical health care, especially for retired civil servants, and free education in all strata. Most importantly, Your Excellency, the time for politics and politicking is in the past. It is no victor, no vanquish. We are now in the era of governance. Hence, it is important you focus in fulfilling the aspirations and expectations of Rivers people, devoid of political party disparity and ethnocentrism. To fellow illustrious Rivers sons and daughters, it is time for us to come back home and genuinely reconcile our diverse personal interests, embrace this new government, and massively invest in the collaborative development of our dear state. We welcome on board Your Excellency Sir Amaechi Senibo, Seminary Fubara DSSROS, GSSROS, Governor of Rivers State. However, we sincerely appreciate the natives of Tombia Kingdom for giving us the enabling environment as our host on this auspicious epoch-making occasion. Long live Ijaw Youth Council, long live Rivers State and Niger Delta, long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.